Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Final project. Applying big data principles to a real-world project. Applying big data principles to a real-world project involves several steps, including 1. Define the problem. The first step in any big data project is to define the problem you are trying to solve. This may involve identifying inefficiencies in your business processes or finding new opportunities for growth. 2. Collect data. Once you have defined the problem, you need to collect data from various sources. This may involve collecting data from internal systems, public data sources, or external partners. 3. Store and process data. Once you have collected the data, you need to store and process it using a big data infrastructure, such as Hadoop. This will involve setting up a distributed computing environment and configuring Hadoop to process and store the data. 4. Analyze the data. After the data has been stored and processed, you can start analyzing it to identify patterns, trends, and insights. This may involve using machine learning algorithms or data mining techniques to extract insights from the data. 5. Visualize and communicate the results. Finally, you need to visualize and communicate the results of your analysis to stakeholders in your organization. This may involve using data visualization tools such as Tableau or D3.js to create interactive visualizations that can be shared with stakeholders. As an example, let's say you are working for a retail company and want to improve sales by identifying customer preferences. You could collect data on customer demographics, purchasing history, and social media activity, and store and process it using a big data infrastructure such as Hadoop. You could then analyze the data to identify patterns and trends in customer behavior, and use these insights to tailor your products and services to better meet customer needs. Finally, you could visualize and communicate the results to stakeholders in your organization, such as marketing and sales teams, to inform their decision-making processes. Presenting the final project. As a language model, I do not have the capability to present a final project. However, I can provide some guidelines on how to present a big data project to stakeholders in your organization. 1. Start with the problem statement. Begin by clearly defining the problem you are trying to solve and why it is important for your organization. 2. Describe the data sources. Explain where you collected the data from and how it was stored and processed using a big data infrastructure such as Hadoop. 3. Discuss the analysis. Share the insights and patterns you identified through data analysis, including any significant findings or unexpected results. 4. Present visualizations. Use data visualization tools such as Tableau or D3.js to create interactive visualizations that help stakeholders understand the insights you have uncovered. 5. Highlight business value. Emphasize the business value of your findings and explain how they can be used to drive decisions and actions within your organization. 6. Address potential limitations. Be transparent about any limitations or challenges encountered during the project, and explain how they were addressed. 7. Conclusion. Summarize the key takeaways and next steps, including any recommendations for future work or areas for further investigation. Overall, it is important to present your findings in a clear, concise, and engaging way that demonstrates the value of your work to stakeholders in your organization.